Let's take a look at how to facilitate a group meeting. In the main menu, I'll select Meetings, and then I'm going to select Group. In the Group Meetings Listings page, I'm going to select the title of the meeting I wish to facilitate. This is the meeting page. If it's a virtual meeting, you would select Join Video Conference to start that feature. The first thing you may wish to do is take attendance, so select Take Attendance, and then check each member that you have present. You can come back to this feature and edit this, for example, if someone comes in late. Then let's start the meeting, so I'll select Start Meeting. You'll see the countdown timer started. We had 5 minutes budgeted in the agenda for this first item. You can see we're on that item. You can see the countdown timer here. So let's advance. Go ahead and advance to the next agenda item. So I'll select Advance Meeting. You can see now we've advanced to the next item and the countdown timer started over. You can pause the meeting. So let's select this pull down and then select Pause Meeting. You'll see the countdown timer stopped, and now the meeting paused. Countdown starts. We had 10 minutes budgeted for this meeting for it to be for a break. So let's go ahead and start the meeting again. So I'll select Resume. You have the option to edit the amount of time budgeted for the meeting. We originally budgeted 2 hours for this meeting, and you can go in here and edit that. You can also edit the agenda here the same way you created the agenda originally. You can select a profile of attending member by just simply selecting their image. And you can switch between profiles by selecting a different image. Then these are the different sections of a profile of a member. So let's go ahead and end the meeting. You can continue to advance through the meeting and eventually end it, or you can select this pull down and select End Meeting. And now that meeting has ended. And so now you know how to facilitate a group meeting.